In today's episode, I will be talking about counting without counting. So, given a n cross n array, as in this case, we are given with 4 cross 4 grid, which means there are 4 rows and 4 columns in this arrangement. So, how many squares and rectangles are of all possible sizes are in this figure? Well, how many squares and rectangles of all the possible sizes are on a chessboard? It is really very challenging task if we go about counting the number of squares and rectangles on this chessboard. So let's understand this in a simpler manner. Let's begin with 1 cross 1 grid, which simply means we are given with a square who having only one row, one column. So the total number of squares obviously in this figure, they are 1. In the same 1 cross 1 grid, as we know, every square is a rectangle. So total number of rectangles is also 1. Now consider 2 cross 2 grid. So in this 2 cross 2 grid, how many squares of 1 cross 1 sides? So this is one, smaller one. And similarly, this is second, this is third, and this is 4. So 1 cross 1 side, we have total 4 squares. And of course, 2 cross 2 sides, we can easily observe that there is only 1 square. So total number of squares will be 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now, when we talk about number of rectangles in this 2 cross 2 grid, we already know every square is a rectangle, so 5 squares are carry forwarded. Further, how many 1 cross 2 sides rectangles are here? So, let's count that. So, horizontally, we will have 2 such rectangles, and vertically also we have 2 such rectangles. So total 1 cross 2 sized 4, which amounts to total of the 9 rectangles in this figure. Now let us consider 3 cross 3 grid. So in this 3 cross 3 grid, we observe that there are 9 smaller squares of side 1 cross 1, and how many are of size 2 cross 2? So let's count that. So this is 2 cross 2 unit, 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. And how many 3 cross 3 side squares? Of course, the largest one, only 1. So when we count the total number of squares, it amounts to 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 14. So in this 3 cross 3 grid, we have total number of squares as 14. Now coming to the total number of rectangles. Of course, all 14 are carry forwarded. Now, how many rectangles of size 1 cross 2 we have here? So let's quickly count them. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 horizontally, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So total of 12 such rectangles are here. Now how many of size 1 cross 3? So this is 1, then 2, 3, and similarly we have 3 vertical one. This is 4th one, 5th one and 6th one. So total 6 are of the size 1 cross 3, and for 2 cross 3 when you count them, so this is 1, the downward 2, then 3 and this is 4th one. So total it's amount to 4. So 14 plus 12 plus 6 plus 4. So how many of the total rectangles we are getting in this figure? 36. Oh, coming to this 4 cross 4 grid. So though we have learned the approach how we can go about counting the total number of squares and rectangles, but it's really very challenging to count the total number of squares and rectangles. But what we can do, we can list down all the answers we have got so far, and we will try to observe a pattern in that. Recall that number of squares in this 1 cross 1 grid. It was 1, and the number of rectangles again 1. For this 2 cross 2 grid, we had the answers as 5 squares and 9 rectangles. For this 3 cross 3 grid, we had 14 squares and total number of rectangles were 36. Observe a pattern. We initially start with the number of squares. It's simply 1 square. 5 can be written as 1 square plus 2 square. 14 can be written as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So if we generalize this pattern for n cross n grid, we can easily observe that for n cross n grid it will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on till n square. Let us now focus on the number of rectangles and look at the numbers. Yes, you guessed it right. They are related to the cubes of natural numbers. So this is 9 is 1 cube plus 2 cube. Similarly 36 is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. Similarly, for n cross n grid, when we count the total number of rectangles, it's clearly coming out to be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on till n cube. And yes, there is a direct formula for the same. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube is given by n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Coming back to this 4 cross 4 arrangement. So now, can you tell me how many squares are rectangles in this? So for this 4 cross 4 grid, number of squares will be simply equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, and using the formula we have seen just now, it will equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Simplify, you will get the total number of squares in this arrangement is 30. And when we talk about number of rectangles, obviously it will be now 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. Yes, you can add them manually directly, but we will solve it using a direct formula which we have just seen. So this is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square, and when you simplify this, it's coming out to be 100. So do you really think so it is possible to count those 100 rectangles? Yes, it is possible, but it is very tedious task. You may miss certain rectangles or you may count the rectangle twice. But using this simple formula approach, based on our pattern observation, we can easily get the answer. Now what about this m cross n array? When the number of rows and number of columns are not equal. So in this case, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 by 4. Right, so this is your 6 by 4 arrangement. So how many squares and rectangles are in it? Let's begin with a simple example of 3 by 2 arrangement. You may call this as 2 by 3 also, because it hardly matters, the number of squares and rectangles will remain the same. For 3 by 2, the number of squares, you just write this 3 by 2. You just write this 3 by 2 plus subtract 1 from this number and 1 from this number. We'll get 2 by 1. If you arrive at one of the number as 1, just stop and simplify. This will give you the total number of squares. That's it. You may try to count those squares. So how many squares you count here? So obviously 6 squares are here, the smaller one, and then this is 7th and this is 8th one. And for number of rectangles, there is a simple approach. Look at the base. This is 3, just consider 1 plus 2 plus 3. Consider this number. Here it's 2. It's just take the sum of first two natural numbers and multiply them. So this is 6 into 3, 18. So there are total of 18 such rectangles which you can easily count. For 1 cross 1 side, you will observe there are 6 such rectangles. For 1 cross 2, there are 7. For 1 cross 3, there are 2 such rectangles. For 2 cross 2, there are 2. And for 2 cross 3, 1. So you add them, it's equal to 18 actually, which you can easily check by real counting. Consider one another case to understand this method. We are given here a 4 cross 3 arrangement now. So in this case, how many squares? As I have mentioned, consider 4 cross 3. Then start decreasing these numbers. So this is 3 cross 2. Then this is 2 cross 1. So this is 12 plus 6, and then this is plus 2, which total amounts to 20 as your required number of squares. And for rectangles, as I already mentioned, for rectangles it's 4 cross 3. So take the sum of first 4 natural numbers into sum of first 3 natural numbers and simplify. So it's 10 into 6, which is equal to 60. So total number of rectangles of all possible sizes in this 4 cross 3 grid is 60. What about this 6 by 4 grid? The number of squares given by 6 cross 4 plus 5 cross 3 plus 4 cross 2 plus 3 cross 1. I hope the pattern and the idea is clear. So when you simplify, this is coming out equal to 50. And for the number of rectangles, it's simply 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, as this base is 6, into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So simplify this expression and the final answer will be 210. You can easily verify. In fact, there is a direct formula also for the number of squares and number of rectangles for m cross n arrangement. You may like to note it. Coming back to my original questions, how many squares of all the sizes on a chessboard? So now in the comment box, I am expecting your responses. For question number 1, you may simply write down question number 1 and the answer is this. Similarly, the second question, how many squares are in the following arrangement? And third task, the third question for you, how many squares and rectangles of all the sizes in the given 8 by 5 grid? Please do answer, please do write in the comment box. In the next episode, I will share the method for counting the total number of equilateral triangles in a given triangular arrangement.